Assembly of deep sleep mode of NodeMCU. In this project, there are two parts. In the first part is the deep sleep mode with timer wake up. Here the NodeMCU will go to deep sleep and will wake up automatically after an interval of 30 seconds. The next part is the deep sleep mode with external wake up. Here the NodeMCU will go to deep sleep mode for an indefinite period and will wake up as soon as we press the reset button. So in the first mode, where the NodeMCU will go to deep sleep mode with definite time period, we just need to power up our NodeMCU. For that we can use the battery or the USB cable. So the components that we will require are NodeMCU, voltage regulator, push button, 1 kilo ohm resistor, 9 volt battery snapper, USB cable and breadboard. So to power our NodeMCU with battery, first place the voltage regulator on the breadboard. Then take the battery snapper, connect the positive wire on the VIN pin of the NodeMCU of the voltage regulator and the black wire, that is the negative, to the ground pin of the voltage regulator. Then take some male to female jumper wire, connect the negative or the ground pin of the voltage regulator to the ground pin of the NodeMCU. And then the Vout pin of the voltage regulator to the VIN pin of the NodeMCU. So we have connected the Vout pin to the VIN pin, the ground pin to the ground pin of the NodeMCU. Or else we can just power our NodeMCU using the USB cable. Remove these wires and directly connect the NodeMCU to your laptop with the help of this USB cable, and your NodeMCU will be powered up. Coding for deep sleep mode of NodeMCU. First of all, open the Arduino IDE software. So here we are going to do the code for deep sleep mode with timer wake up, where the NodeMCU will wake up after an interval of 30 seconds. So here first in the void setup we have initialized the baud rate to 9600, and then we have given serial.set timeout and have set the time for 2 seconds. The serial.set timeout sets the maximum milliseconds to wait for serial data. So here next we have given while serial is not available. This is the time to wait for serial monitor to initialize, and then we will print that I am awake but I am going to deep sleep mode for 30 seconds. Then we are giving the time interval of deep sleep mode as 30 seconds by using the function esp.deepsleep. So this function will make our NodeMCU to go in deep sleep mode for an interval of 30 seconds. So after this board, click on tools, select the board as NodeMCU 1.0 ESP12E module and select the required port, and then click on upload. Your code will be uploaded to NodeMCU. Output for the deep sleep mode using timer. So first we will press the reset button in the NodeMCU, and then using a wire we will connect the reset pin, that is this one, to the GPIO pin 16. So as you can see on the screen, it is showing I am going into deep sleep mode for 30 seconds. So our NodeMCU is on sleep for 30 seconds now. Now for the deep sleep mode with external wake up, we need a push button connected to a reset pin of the NodeMCU. For that, first place the push button on the breadboard. Now take a 1 kilo ohm resistor, connect it to any terminal of the push button. I am connecting it here, and we have to connect the other terminal of the resistor to the positive of the battery. So we are taking a jumper wire, connecting it to one terminal of the resistor and other terminal, let's say this one, we are considering it the positive of the battery. Let us connect the battery snapper. So this is for the positive and this row is for the negative. Now take a male to female jumper wire and connect it to the same terminal of the push button where the resistor is connected, and connect the other terminal to the reset pin of the NodeMCU. If you see properly, here on the VIN pin side, it is the third pin, this one, the RST pin. So connect it to the RST pin of the NodeMCU. Then now if I want to power my NodeMCU using a USB cable, so directly take the USB cable, connect it to the NodeMCU and connect the other terminal to the laptop. And also you have to connect the battery here. In this way. But if you want to power the NodeMCU with the battery, then you can do it by using the voltage regulator as we have shown in the previous video. Put the voltage regulator on the breadboard. Take some jumper wires. Connect the ground pin to the negative of line. The VIN pin to the positive of the battery, and take a male to female jumper wire. Connect it to the Vout pin of the voltage regulator and VIN pin of the NodeMCU, and take the ground pin. Take another wire, connect it to the ground pin of the NodeMCU and then to the ground pin of the voltage regulator. So in this way also you can connect. Thank you. Coding for deep sleep mode with external wake up. So first of all, open the Arduino IDE software. The code is similar to the previous one. The only difference is here that to make our NodeMCU to go to sleep for an indefinite time, we have to pass 0 as an argument in the deep sleep function here. The remaining code is same. Now we have put our NodeMCU in a deep sleep mode for indefinite time. So when we open the serial monitor, and press the reset button here, this one, it is showing I am awake but I am going to deep sleep mode until reset pin is connected into a low signal. So that means our NodeMCU is now on deep sleep mode. Now as soon as I press the reset button, our NodeMCU will awake. So our NodeMCU is awake now. So when I press the push button, my NodeMCU will get awake. As soon as I remove my finger from the button, it will again go to deep sleep mode. Thank you.